Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use promo code on Eventbrite. To use promo codes on Eventbrite, these are the steps that you need to take. The first thing to do is to go to eventbrite.com and log in with your account credentials. Once you're logged in on the home page, click on your profile icon in the top right corner displaying your email address. You'll be provided with a drop-down menu from Browse Events down to Logout. Now go ahead and click on Manage My Events from the drop-down menu, and that's going to walk you into a new window. In this window, that is the Manage My Events window. Go ahead and click on Events, which is the second icon in the left-hand navigation menu to view all your events. I have not created a live event, so I just have a draft in here. But if you've created all your events, you should find them here. Now click on the title of the event where you want to apply the promo code. Click on the title of the event, and that's going to take you into the event management dashboard. In the event management dashboard, of course, you have to click on promotions. I have not added the ticket to my event, but if you've added ticket and you have confirmed all of that, you should find the promotions in the left-hand navigation menu. Now click on promotions in the left-hand navigation menu. Under the promotion section, select promo codes. Then click create promo code button to open the promo code creation page. In the promo code creation page, enter a promo code. That's the code attendees will use. Example could be discount 10. Then set the discount type by percentage. Apply a percentage discount, example 10% off, or by a fixed amount. So apply a fixed amount discount, example $5 off. Also choose the amount for the discount. Then select the ticket type to which the promo code will appear. You can apply to all ticket types or select specific ones. And you can also set any usage limits, such as limiting the promo code for the first 100 users or a set number of uses per person. Now, you can also set an expiration date if applicable for the promo code. So for when the promo code will appear, choose whether the promo code can be used multiple times or only once by each attendee. And once you've filled out all the details, go ahead and click Save to create the promo code. Share the promo code with your attendees via email or on social media or within the event description. When attendees go to your event page and select tickets, they can enter the promo code during the checkout process. On the checkout page, there will be an option to enter promo code. Attendees can enter the promo code and the discount will be automatically applied to their ticket total. By following the steps, you can successfully create and manage promo codes for your Eventbrite event, offering discounts to your attendees. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.